Future Skills and Skillsda jointly presents the foundational course in cybersecurity, which aims at upskilling those who have a basic understanding of programming and helping them understand the various concepts, tools, and their applications in cybersecurity at a foundational level. The curriculum is divided into 6 modules. The first is an introductory module explaining the fundamentals of cybersecurity. The second explains the fundamentals of networking. The third explains the basic concepts of security testing. The fourth, the fundamentals of access management. The fifth explains the basic concepts of incident management and response. And the final module explains the basics of security operations. The scope and the objectives of this curriculum is to help you to explore the fundamentals of cybersecurity and provide you a foundation from where you can upskill yourself for very specific cybersecurity job roles. The intended audience for this course are university students who are enrolled in streams such as engineering, mathematics, statistics, computer science, or physical sciences, employed professionals who are hoping to explore career options with regard to cybersecurity, and finally, enthusiasts who are curious about the hype behind cybersecurity. Prerequisites for this course would be to have familiarity in writing code using at least one programming language or have a basic understanding of information technologies, NSQF level 5. The recommended job roles after completing the program would be application security analyst, identity and access management analyst, penetration tester, and so on. The course comprises of 45 hours of training, 30 hours being theory and 15 hours practical. To make your learning easy, each module in this course is categorized into multiple units based on the topics. And the course is going to be really engaging with different instructional strategies and knowledge checks at regular intervals for you to test your understanding. After completing the 6 modules, you will have to take up a summative assessment in the end. The course completion certificate will be issued only if you complete this assessment successfully. Get ready for a great learning journey. You may now access the first module and kickstart your learning.